tiger is the mixture of power, bravery, and agility. It is the largest and strongest member of the cat family. It weighs around 306 kilograms and lives in the woods. 9. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are one of the most powerful and enormous creatures on this planet. They usually weigh up to 350 kilograms and can be lifting objects up to 850 times its own body weight. The rhinoceros beetle is the world's second strongest animal in the world. Elephants are the biggest animals on the planet. They can range from 2 meters to 5 meters in height and can weigh up to 7 tons. From the 2 species of African bush elephant,